What's up guys, we're going to do a nice, quick and easy red Thai chicken curry. So let's get straight into what's needed. So firstly we're going to dice the chicken. I'm going to slice the onion. So I'm just going to follow the grain. Pepper, just going to slice these. And just finely slice your chilli. So now everything's prepped, I'm just going to get on to marinating the chicken. So add in the paprika, half of the red Thai curry paste. This is a jar red Thai paste, it just makes it nice and easy and really affordable. A little bit of olive oil, pinch of salt, and some pepper. There you go. And then just give this a good mix. You could also leave this to marinate overnight, but we're not going to do that today. So now everything's ready, let's get on to the cooking. So we've got this on a nice medium to high heat. We're going to put in a bit of oil, and then we're going to get this chicken in. So we're basically going to part cook the chicken, make sure we've got a nice sear on the outside, move on to the vegetables, and then move on to the coconut milk. So we've been cooking the chicken for around 8 minutes. As you can see, it's pretty much cooked. So we're going to add in half of the peppers, because as you can see, it is a bit too much. So we're going to not waste that, we're going to put it in the fridge and leave it for another day. Got our onions and our chilli. And we're just going to cook this out. Wait till the veggies are softened and then we'll add in the remaining ingredients. Now they're nice and softened up, we're going to add in the coconut milk. Garlic and ginger paste. Bit of paprika. The remaining of the red Thai paste. And the sugar. The sugar's going to add a little bit of sweetness so it contrasts with the spice. And we're just going to leave this to cook for around 5 to 10 minutes and then just break open a piece of chicken and make sure it's cooked through. So that's been cooking for around 8 to 10 minutes, so I'm going to pick the biggest piece of chicken, and there you go. So now that's done, let's get it all plated up. So there we have it, a nice red Thai curry, really easy to do, I hope you enjoy.